Good morning, everyone. Welcome to EasyAlgo. This is a first live video in EasyAlgo. Can you hear my voice? Please, can you one? uh, Yeah, I'm reading message comments here. Can you hear my voice, guys? Type yes if it's hearing you. Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, we'll start a weekly list. So I'm waiting for 2 minutes. I hope you are listening my voice clear, right? Because this is very first time I'm using YouTube and everything is new for me here. So I don't know whether you are listening properly or no. Or no. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So we will start from a weekly list, which is narrow, and we have selected these tokens, right? And yesterday I gave, yeah, email. Thank you so much, sir. Yeah, we'll continue this. So yesterday I gave two signals in Discord, right? So one was this hook USDT, and I mentioned this is the zone, and you can see this zone. And so when we see these kind of zones, remember, guys, when see it's all yeah, when we see these kind of zones, we should wait for a candle confirmation. See, you can see very clearly, candle didn't close below this zone. So, and somebody messaged me that which like can we take a long positions? Yes. So this was a morning star candle and a bullish engulf, and this was the zone. So this. So now how to take the zone? So what I do, I take a wick and the body, and you can see we have to see whether we are getting any rejection from these levels. Yes, we are getting rejections. You can see one, two, three, almost four times. And when we get a breakout, it should be a good green candle. So we called as a healthy candle. Now this is healthy candle. Right? This is a healthy candle. Now our entry will be when it comes to a retest. So now it came to retest. Now our target will be according to the weekly trend X, because this is a 1 hour time frame. So what we have to do here, when we when it reach here, this place, our first target will be taken. So after reaching there, book some profit, and you can hold for a second target, which is a weekly. Correct. So we can do one more thing here. So add indicator X. This is the best way to book our profits. Just 1 second. Sorry. So you can see here the liquidities. Where are the liquidities? So this is our liquidity. So this may be our second target. All right. First target always it will be the recent high. The recent high, which is this is the recent high. So this is our first target. Okay. And the second target will be our liquidity. So what we have to do, we have to check our weekly resistance, the same area. You can see the same area we have the weekly resistance also. So this is our second target according to the 1 hour weekly chart. Okay, and make sure that to book some profit a recent high. The reason, this is 1 second, I'll show you. So this is a descending weekly trend X. You know, right? So what is descending trend X? You can see this is a descending. Okay, Okay, make sure to book some profit here when it reached a recent high. So, and one more I gave, it was maybe this BLUSD. Yeah, exactly the same thing has done, and the same candle, morning star candle. And so, like before, when I joined EasyAlgo, I was teaching them how to when we see a morning star or evening star, we should wait for a retest. Now, which is a retest? I want to show you the retest. See, let's see, look just 1 second. Yeah, this. So when we see any candle, a morning star, any time frame, which is the retest place. This is the retest place. So before old videos, you can look there. I was talking about this, but now I stopped talking about this reason. Once we see any morning star candle, there are like 80% chances are there. It is not coming for a retest. Directly it's going, and I saw that people was missing those trade. I thought it's very small stop loss. Why should wait for a retest? But in 1 hour candle, obviously the stop loss will be big. So it's better, if you want, you can wait for a retest this level, because our trade will be from here and stop loss will be below this zone. Okay, below this zone. And I took zones from these candles. Okay, this is the zone actually here. So this I took, because we can see 3 candles, means 3 hours, right? Almost. This is the zone. That's why I took this has a zone. And yesterday I was looking chart in this. I'll just show you. So I marked this, but I was not expecting it will go so fast. So here, so when you trade yourself, right? So how to find, and remember, I'll find my zones nearby a trend X, and this was the zone. And why this was the zone? I want to show you this. See why this was the zone. See, before, I mean, when market opened, right? We got one, before that we got one huge rejection, and it's very near to weekly pivot. So I can't take a zone this completely. This has a zone. We cannot take that. It will be very big. So what I thought, like, okay, we got rejection at the 2 times at the same place. Let me find we have any rejections again. I saw this candle. I thought, okay, let's mark this zone. Let's see how it works. So clearly we got breakout, and immediately it came for a retest. The next candle, a bullish increase. And these, what will happen when we trade these kind of when we see these kind of trades, profit will be very small, because you can see within next candle market TP8. But when we compare to stop loss, it had no sense to take any trades here. And the liquidity, I'll just show you. This is how it took the liquidity. So after this, we don't know, right? Like according to the indicator X, Sid will teach us, right? If you want to learn about indicator X, please join Sid training every Monday. He'll teach how to use indicator X. You just add indicator X with trend X, you'll get very good results. Even this also, just look this 1 second. So you can see. So we are looking at long positions, correct? Candles are above weekly and yeah, about daily, and our only entry we should find. So I marked this zone, and this was the entry, and you can see the liquidities. We can see that same place where is the weekly resistance, the same place. So only when it comes to booking, don't take all your profit. Hold at least 10 to 15%, guys. Okay, at least hold 10 to 15%. You will get you won't miss big trades. Like it can be a swing trade. Remember, it can be a swing trade when you start holding. Holding is very important. Okay, so yeah, we'll I'll let's see the token, and whenever I get time. Okay, whenever I get time, not talking about UK session. Normally, whenever I get time, I'll just jump into the YouTube. When I find any good signal, I'll come here. Because here I can give a signal if I found, but not in Discord. Here I can at least I can show you directly. I can tell you that this is the zone. This is where you can look at trades. You just uh, come here. I'll find the setup in 5 minutes. I'll show you how to find the setups if you miss the trades. Okay, I will find there, and maybe George, you are here. I want to answer your question. One second. So BTC. One second. I'll just show the BTC. So BTC guys, see, till yesterday I was not. I didn't post anything there because this was very critical position to take a short position. Reason you just go and check in daily time frame. We discussed many times. This is not the area to look any short positions, and this is clearly up and handle in weekly time frame. You can see this is very clearly cup and handle in weekly time frame. At daily time frame, this is a strong zone. If candles are below weekly, it is still here. This point, I think it's very risky to take a short positions. So you can see how the market has reversed now. So wait for today. I'll just try to check where that's. So again, we got a morning star, but this is not the zone. I think we should wait for a new daily trend X. So if you are in a trade PDC, a long positions, if you are in trade, at least hold 5 to 10%. Trust me, who knows? It can make a new high in coming days if your trades run well, because it's going from a bottom of the pattern cup and handle, right? I'll just show you. So you can look here. It's, if you are in trade, just hold it, guys. It's near a handle. If this setup fails, then we'll find another setup. But try to take only long positions in gold. We are already reached near a strong support. Okay, now it's reversing. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I mean, a new daily trend. Actually, I just remember, guys. Trade exit, like when you plan any trade, always you should check a daily trend X. If you don't know a price action, you don't know how to mark the zones, whatever, you should always see the daily trend X. The daily trend X will give you the small stop loss, a good entry. See, look here, candle star still inside the daily trend X, and exactly we got a morning star. This was this is a morning star. Now, which is our retest area? The retest area is this. Why this? So this you can look here, and body and wick. This is our retest area. Okay, just go and find a 5 minutes trade in this. And this is Y trend X. Only scalp trades today. Tomorrow you maybe get a good trade. We have to see what all patterns it's creating before a new daily trend X. You have to find that zone done. You know, it's very easy to mark the zones. Before making a new daily trend X, we should see whether we got any breakout in 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Because intraday traders, right? We don't want to see daily time frame, higher time frames. Intraday traders, like you want a weekly, daily resistance. If market is going from a daily trend X to resistance, then enough. So we have to see any recent breakout. If yes, then yeah. You see, I just show you my trades, how I take the trades, and here I'll add my MT4 account here. I'll show you my account. Whenever I have patience. I don't take every trade until I don't understand, until it will not come to my zone. And I took a beautiful trade. I'll show you. So it's very clear. I'll just show you. Because if I'm showing my trades, then you will understand why I took this trade. See, I was waiting to come near a center, a pivot, and this is a Y. I cannot expect a good trades here. And when we see these kind of white trend X daily, I'll try for trade. Obviously, I'll take the trade, but according to the trend X, if candles are above weekly, I look only long positions. Here I was waiting. Remember, I never take here. It's all depend upon a timings. If this candles is market is like a choppy, then I'll wait for a UK session. So UK session, like you are always, I used to tell at 12 p.m. right? This time, so we got a morning star, and this is the zone. I always repeat every time. I'll tell this is the zone I should look along positions. Below this, I don't take any trades. If it's coming down, then I'll wait. I'll wait to come back to the zone, then retest, then I'll go for a long position. I took my trade exactly when I saw this morning star huge candle, and you can see the volume and and volume again. I'm talking about the candle, the power of candle. Like you can see the size of candle, and you can see the previous candles. I took my trade here. My stop loss was below this candle, and I was not waiting to reach this R2 or somewhere there. It went near a resistance. I just closed it. I'll just show you where are the resistance here. I just closed and I kept even alarm also. When it came here, I said it's done because I cannot expect too much in white trend X. And obviously, weekly is narrow gold. Okay, if you are trading in gold, just show you. So if you are trading in gold, guys, a weekly is super narrow, and we don't get a narrow, super narrow every time. Whenever we get, I'll try to take a good trades, good profit in this. Okay, so this is the gold, and again, you just use the indicator X, and you can see the trades, profit booking like liquidity lines. You can see the liquidity lines, right? So we'll go back to the this chart. So yeah, so this. So so now find your trades from like sorry this. Okay. Ah, So this was the zone I did. Like yesterday when I saw this chart, so we got a new, sorry, weekly trend X here. Okay, somewhere like here. So I'll just hide the weekly. So now I'll just find the entry. Now, like Monday, we don't know, right? Whether market will go up or like down. Every time it will create a confusion. So I was waiting here. So so you have to plan this way. Okay, whether I should look a short position or long position. The reason, always it will manipulate, and you guys know that. First, you check whether we have a descending or ascending weekly trend X. Clearly descending trend X. From past 3 weeks, 2 weeks, it's descending. So overall trend, yes, descending. So now my prefer will be a short positions. Short positions, I want to take a short positions. Now, how should I take a short positions? I should find the zone. Now this zone I mark. Okay, I mark this zone and just see the changes. Candles didn't close below this zone. Until it will not close below that zone, we are not going to take any short positions when candles was here at this place. If candles close like this, then we have to wait for a retest, then our trade will run like this. But you can see very clearly, second time again it came. Now I find that rejection from above. Before that, whether we got any high today, I mean, I'm talking about yesterday. Yes. Now this is the zone market has created. Wherever it give breakout, at that place, we are going to take our trades. Either market should go up or down. We should follow that footprints. Now this is the zone. So you wait. If it's coming here, okay. If it's coming here, then you can plan your trades. Again, there will be a two possibility. See, one, it can go directly and hit the targets. It can be this way. Why? Because again we have weekly trend X there. If it's not coming, just ignore it. We'll find another trade. This is a very first video I came live. I'm really nervous. And thank you so much to EasyAlgo team. Seth, you gave me good opportunity. Really, thank you so much, sir. I'm really happy. Yeah. So whenever I, not only 12:30, every, like if I find any trade, US session, UK session, Asian session, midnight, anytime, I'll just come. I think Sid gave me good opportunity to hear. I should utilize here. This is the best platform to grow community, to grow EasyAlgo, to learn everything here. Like Discord, many people miss there. It will be not recorded there. So at least they'll find recording here, and it will be a 30 minutes, 40 minutes. That's it. And there is no a perfect time, like I'm coming at 12:30 p.m. IST every day. No, whenever I'll just jump. I'll jump here. Maybe see, you can see my time now. It's 12:54. You can see on my screen, right? It's 12:54. I can come at 10 a.m. also. Okay. Please subscribe to this channel, and you just let me check 1 second. Yeah, please subscribe this channel. You will get notification, guys. Okay, you will get notification. And when I get a good signal, I'll definitely try to come. Okay, I want to help here, and yeah, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, not a big deal for me. I'll come here. Okay. So, and this JUP USDT. So here I mark this. I was expecting to cross this. For that reason, I'm still kept like this. 1 second, I'll show you what was the my plan. So here, so when I saw a weekly narrow here, the same, I'll find the zone. Now, which is the zone? You can clearly see when I was marked the zone, this was the zone, because already we got a two rejection from this place. All right. So candles was coming very slowly here, it went back. So I just ignored this zone now, and I marked this. Okay, now because market has created a current day low and current week low. This was the week low which has made recently. I said this is the zone now. Okay, if it's coming back here until it will not break this level, we are not going to take any trades. Really, trust me, guys. This is how we should trade. It doesn't mean candles went up. I'll just die. I'll just go for a long positions. No, we should wait to break any of these levels. And and I want to show you. See, when it came here, when it went back, and this is the strong zone. So when it went till here and it came back. So now I got a confirm that yes, market has stepped inside the zone. Wherever we break out after retest, we are going to that positions, that trades. Now we got a good breakout, and I used to tell healthy candle, a good candle. See, this is the healthy candle, good candle, and this is the good volume. And market didn't tap till here. If it's coming at this area, our trade will start from this area. Again, a weekly, I'll just show you. The weekly trend X is clearly descending trend X. So when we see these kind of weekly descending trend X, our target will be very small. A weekly resistance, maybe R1 or R2, that's it. It can be reversed very fast. But again, we are not giving you any advice or going for reverse trade. Always follow the trend, and trend X will help you define the trades. Only if you follow the proper guidelines, use proper risk management, stop loss, and daily trend X. Make your favorite list. The daily trend X will help you. Very small stop loss with good targets. You will get a. You can see a support and resistance. I'll just add it here. You just see. You can look. This is a wide trend X until you don't see any going candle below this. Make sure to look only long positions. Today is a second day. We have 5 days more. So whenever we see super weekly narrow, 90% chances are there market will reach either R2 or S2. Our target will always, our target should be a big win because we are selecting only those tokens which is a weekly super narrow, and that should previous week should be a sideways. And yes, the previous week was sideways in this token. Only those tokens we can expect good move. And uh, three things you should remember. First, weekly narrow. Yes, weekly narrow. Whether that particular token it was a sideways a previous week. Yes, then you should definitely look at trade this week in this token. The second point, to mark the zones. You should understand marking the zones. It's very easy. Don't look a previous history chart because we are intraday traders. Should find zone which recently, and this was the recent. And yes, if it could breakout after breakout, we are not going to take any trades until it will not come for a retest. Once if it comes to a retest, we should wait for that candlestick pattern which we learned here. Yes, 1 hour candle, it will be a big stop loss, but target will be always also will be big according to the 1 hour. It can be a weekly R1 or R2 because this is a weekly super narrow, correct? This is weekly super narrow, and 1 hour according to the 1 hour candlestick pattern, stop loss will be obviously it will be big, target will be also big. Just 1 second, guys. I'm not looking any trades, David. I'm sorry, I'm not looking any comments here. I'll just read the comments. Many people has come here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, David. Yeah, sir. I'll. So I was. Everyone knows that I was not feeling well, and even still have that cold, and I don't want to. Even this week, I don't want to sit at home, sir. Seriously, I was missing group. I was missing all charts. So I said no. I should go here and sit. So I came here. Today we have training. Please join if you are new to this group. Welcome, guys. Please join. Today we have a live training. Already we have a link in Discord, Zoom link. Just go and join. Okay. Wow. It's you can see. And yesterday I posted this. Trust me, guys. See, when I posted this trade, it was 3 a.m. I slept almost 3:30 a.m. and I post. You can you can look that. See, it's not so easy to find one trade setup, right? So many people will trust me. I found that okay, and one more thing. Whenever I post any trade a midnight, right? Like for me, it will be a midnight, almost like 2 a.m. or 3 a.m. I'll post from my mobile because my computer is too far from me. I'll just post it from my mobile. That trade will be for next day. I mean, next day, daily pivot. Because when I get up, market will finish all the work. For that reason, I'm going late to sleep. I thought no, we'll post it this today. Okay, so remember, I'll post it that trade for a next day. For me, a next day. I mean, a daily pure. Okay, so I'll just show you here, so you'll understand. So 3 a.m. Yeah. So when I posted, assume that when I post anything in Discord, it was here. The candle was here. The trade is for a next day, the daily next day pivot. For that reason, I say for this hook USDD, I think so. I'm sorry if I'm taking the wrong name. Here, I didn't post. I think so. I didn't post about 5 minutes. I posted only in 1 hour because I was so sure about 1 hour, not in 5 minutes. You can just go and see there. I didn't post any 5 minutes chart in that token, and I posted only maybe this I posted a 5 minutes chart because I was confirmed here about 5 minutes, not there, and I was correct. Let me check in Discord 1 second. Yes, I was correct. And you just see how I come to know that this can be 1 second. I'll just show you. So you just go and look at just you go and look that a chart. I was so sure about that BL Bell USDT. The 5 minutes, the 5 minutes trend X, and we have a 5 minutes zone. Exactly a 5 minute zone work, and this is the candle. And I want to see the comments here. Here. Which candle is this, guys? Which candle is this? It will be a 10 to 50 seconds. It will be late for you guys. Hammer, David sir, yes, absolutely correct. hammer, and just go and see exactly. EasyAlgo, sir. Sid sir, if you are here, uh, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, really, thank you so much. And I posted this with a 5 minutes chart, 1 hour chart. Yeah, I posted four different charts. Very first time I posted four different charts, and very first time I marked the 5 minute zone in EasyAlgo. I told this is the zone we got a breakout, and it took a retest, and exactly I posted with saying that take a trade from a daily a trend X. And George, if you are here and you asked me this question, so here you took the trade, correct? Because of candle, morning star candle, correct? Absolutely correct, and your trade is perfect. So make I why did you didn't see this a zone, ma'am? I told you, right? As I clearly posted the chart. This is the zone. So fine. If you are taking your stop loss, fine. When you see this rejection exactly from zone, then your second trade will be from this area. This is how you are going to take your trades. Your stop loss will be this. Your target will be the recent high. This. Your target will be the recent first target. Okay. So and yeah, and the second one, hook USDT. Here, I didn't post any 5 minute chart. I was not that confident. It will tap the daily trend X and it will go. For that reason, I said 1 hour. So now this is not my confidence or nothing. This is all about the chart reading. How you will read the charts. And I want to show you every day here what all we see in chart. I see only the current what's happening in my chart here. I don't want to see the previous from starts from here, correct? Because I am an intraday trader. I need quick trades, and I want to close my positions today itself. And I got my TP hit. Yeah. So okay, all right, guys. So make sure that when you plan any trade, zone is very important, any time frame. So till now, I was talking about 1 hour zones and all. Many people are using 5 minutes, 15 minutes. My friends, they use a 1 minute strategy. They'll mark zones even in 1 minute. I don't want to teach you the 1 minute and all because it will be very risky. 1 hour, fine. You have just you have to learn zones. The trend X indicator X is awesome. Always remember trend X and indicator X. If you mix up both, it will be game changing because if candles are above weekly, we are taking a long positions, but till where it will go, that is very important, right? Liquidity lines, crush the liquidity, and you can see the results go and back test. Yeah, really, it's David. Okay. Yeah, sir. Maybe you tagged me, right? You tagged me that saying, we got a good candle here. Yes, a perfect morning star. And yes, so if you are in this trade and the two trades which I gave was successful, and see this. The patience, guys. No need to fight weekends. No need to fight on Mondays. Just enjoy. Every see if more indicators make you more confusion. If you sit more time in front of computer, then you'll get more confused and you will take trades. One trade, two trades. That's it. One or two trades. It should be a perfect until you don't learn. Once you understood things like okay how it works, then it's up to you. You should be very disciplined. Okay, see the first target has done. So accurately, it came near daily trend X and 5 minute zone, and it took, and you can see exactly it's hitting the target, first target done. Now just so when I take my trades in this way, I'll book only a 50%. I'm guys telling you to book 80%, but personally I book only 50% because I'm so passionate that I really like to hold my positions all the time. I do, if assume if this trades run, okay, assume that I took the trade and I booked some 50% profit and I kept break even and I just went out, and after 3 years if market is here somewhere, then I don't take any trade tomorrow. I'm done for the week. It's so happy, right? So one trade gave me very good profit and I don't want to search the next trade tomorrow itself. And I'm happy that what I got. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. This is very first time video, and I'm very happy and I'm very excited to go and watch my own video recorded. Let me see. Let me find my mistakes here, and I'm really sorry if you're not hearing a good voice or whatever. I'll definitely beginning will be definitely it will be struggle for everyone. The later will come with a better quality, better cameras. First step always it will be difficult to everyone. This is our first step, and this is something we are trying to grow ourselves. To me and see our we have small dream. Let's I want to do this, so we started this. Okay, we'll meet again. If I find something a good trade again, I'll join today. Make sure to subscribe and a bell icon, because whenever I come live, uh, you'll get a notification. Yeah, we'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care, guys.